In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat memories not loading. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. All you want to do is if you open up Snapchat and your memories aren't loading as mine are right now, that could be incredibly frustrating. So what you want to do, there's a few things. So if your phone has less than 1 GB of free space, Snapchat is going to refuse to download the high resolution versions of your memories to protect your device from crashing. So what we want to do is check your phone settings. Go to settings, go to general, then go to iPhone storage and make sure you have enough space. If you don't, I'd recommend just deleting any applications you don't use anymore. And also besides that, just going over to your album, deleting any photos and videos that you don't use as well. Now, what you could also do is clear your cache. So once you're here, go over to Snapchat and press offload app, and that's going to fix any issues you might be having because it might not be loading memories because of a bug. Another thing we can go ahead and do is swipe out of everything, swipe down on the top right, then turn on airplane mode, wait about 10 seconds, and then turn it off again and see if that works for you. And the final thing I'd recommend is going over to your app store, then going on the top right where it has your profile icon, then go over to app updates and seeing if Snapchat actually needs an update. If it does, that could be why it's not showing for you. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.